everybody, my name is Rose Levette. Thank you for tuning in to another Rose Levette DIY video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I created 3 different beautiful Christmas picture display ideas. Throughout the video, I do use all Dollar Tree products, but if I use anything other than Dollar Tree, I will make sure to mention it throughout the video for you guys. I hope you all enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you all, so make sure you guys keep on watching. In today's video, I wanted to make over these picture frames that I found at the Dollar Tree. We're going to start off with this one. So this is like a shadow box. It has these confetti stars in it. So first we're going to do is take it apart. All I did was just throw out the confetti stars. A good thing is that there's nothing else stopping them, so you can just dump them out. Keep it for another project if you like. So what I want to do first is paint this white. So I'm going to cover up the mirror here. So I'm just getting this tape I got at the Dollar Tree, just to tape out the mirror itself so I don't paint that. I'm just going to make sure I paint that border well. Okay, now that we have this all covered up in tape, make sure we don't get any paint on it. I'm going to paint this all white. I have my WAVERLY chalk paint in white. And we're just going to paint that all. Once the first coat is dry, we're going to go and do a second coat because you can see a lot of the black. So we're going to do that. To use this paper here that I got at Hobby Lobby for $1. Scrapbooking paper, so I'm just going to use it to trace and cut out a template so I know this is the size that fits in there. We have 2 options for the picture to stay. We can either just glue the picture just like so and it'll stay, or what I would like to do is get a little piece of jute that I got from the Dollar Tree, the very thin one, and these little mini ones that the Dollar Tree sells, and glue it on so I can hang my picture. So we're going to do that while our paint is still drying. So I'm just going to measure this jute out. Make sure I leave a little bit just to glue to the back. So now I have my little clothespin here. I'm not going to paint it or anything. I'm going to leave it just like the natural wood color. I'm going to place it with the picture and see where I want it so that I can glue down the little pen. So now I'm just going to hot glue this pen down. Now that the white chalk paint is dry, I want to get a little bit of gray and dry brush it to give it more of a farmhouse look. So once dry brush, this is how it looks. Is fill this up with bells. So I have this medium size and a small size from the Dollar Tree. Make sure that fits in there well. So I'm gonna get the back end toss that in there. Perfect. So this is how it looks with the bells in the picture. I felt like the photo frame needed some embellishment, so I made this cute little bow here in one corner. I got this Dollar General ribbon for only $1. Very, very beautiful. Came in a backpack, I think with 25 or 24. They were half off, so I only paid $1 for them. All I ended up doing, was cutting off here the little rope that was holding it on and just glued on one of the little stars that came into the frame. So I just want to glue this into the corner here. And now our frame is officially done. Painted all of the sides. Came back and painted the back because I forgot the first time. And here it is with the bells. My son's little picture. Very cute. The next picture frame we are going to DIY is this one I got also at the Dollar Tree. 4x6. Now let's see what we can do to make this Christmas theme. So first we're going to do is unclasp all this here. Pop this out. This is what we have left. Now we're going to paint all this here. So first I want to paint the frame chalk white or Waverly paint. And then I want to dry brush. Instead of gray, I'm going to use this truffle color from Waverly. So we're going to do dry brush truffle and then paint it all white. Dry brush the truffle color. And there we have it. The frame is all truffled out, dry brushed. The picture hangs. So I don't want this clip. I'm gonna try my best to take it off. I was able to yank out the clip. I just grabbed some sandpaper that I got at the Dollar Tree and just sanded that down there, that cardboard. So I want to cover it with this checkered pattern here. I want to make it different from the other picture frame. So I'm going to do the same. Just going to get the edges here. I don't have to do too much cutting. Make sure they're the same, the size the same. And we're just going to draw that out. Trace it. If you want to Mod Podge this on, you are able to do so, but I'm perfectly fine just tacky gluing it on. I got this tacky glue from the Dollar Tree. Just get this here. Brush for glue, so I'm just going to grab it. Make sure I drag that out. Especially on these ends here. Perfect, and that we have it on. Here we're gonna go for the same idea, but with this one I'm gonna use this jute here from Dollar General. It just costs $1 for 10 yards, and it's thicker than the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna pass this through the same idea, and the clip here I got from the Dollar Tree, the clothespin. just gonna flip the frame over, this over here, pass it through the prongs. That's okay. So I'm gonna put that through, snap it into. Perfect, so here's our final product. What I'll be making is a picture display. So what I have in mind is to cover this all up with scrapbook paper, Mod Podge it with a little rope to hang a picture of my son. Scrape down this glitter here, so when I Mod Podge everything, we don't have all that. I got this at the Dollar Tree. So now what we're going to do is Mod Podge this sign down. I have this checkered pattern here that I got at Hobby Lobby. They were selling it for $1. It's the best time to get scrapbooking paper. Mod Podge this down here. I'm just going to get scrapbook paper. Make sure I cover. Now we're going to this Merry Christmas sign here. I'm going to this now. Just going to get this here. Perfect. And down. So now the Mod Podge is all dry. So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna go around and cut off this excess scrapbook paper. So now what I'm gonna do, I want to sand the edges down a little bit, especially since I cut and then already made it a little wonky, and just sand that down a little bit. So now what I'm going to do is just paint this white. So now that I've sanded the sides and these here are painted, I decided to dry brush a little bit the white, and that actually looked nice, gave it more of that look I'm going for. Brush here, we're going to do the white. Make sure you just dab out as much paint as you can, and then we're just going to go back and forth with that. Grab a little bit of the gray, and we're going to do the same that we've been doing, dry brushing. Just to grab that brush, put that down, and we're just gonna so now the parts here at the top, I'm just gonna glue that back down here with some hot glue. So I'll have this family here, wording that I bought at Joann's. So I want to paint the number 2019. I have these wooden numbers from the Dollar Tree. I want to put this under the picture. So I'm just going to paint these here. I have this Snow White and this pewter gray. Sorry if I said that incorrectly, from Walmart. We're just going to paint that. So what I'm going to first do, before I put the numbers, I'm just going to place the string where I want to hang the photo itself. So I have this jute string here from the Dollar Tree. It's very thin. Let's see how I want to hang that there. I think I'll put it on, glue it onto the sides here in the back. So now the string is all dried up. We just glued that here on the back, on each side. So now I'm just going to see the placement of the picture. I have this picture of when I was pregnant with my son. I'm going to turn a picture, so I'm just going to grab the little clip that we painted from the Dollar Tree. So we're just going to glue the 2019 right up here. I feel like this family needs a little something too, so I have this thicker jute that I got at Dollar General. It's only $1. Brings 10 yards. I'm just gonna go around the family. Hot glue that down, sorry. And this is our end result.
I hope you all enjoyed these 3 easy DIY picture frames that we created from Dollar Tree products in this video. If you did, please make sure to give a like, leave any comments down below, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell before you leave. I hope you guys stay tuned for next Sunday's video. Bye!